Hello everybody, welcome back to another Dall-E tutorial. In this one, I want to show you how to get a list of styles and aesthetics that you can use for your AI-generated art that you can use just right out of the box. It's awesome. Let's go here. What you want to do is you want to go to this website here. It's aesthetics.fandom.com. It's basically a wiki, and I'll show it to you. It's a list of aesthetics, which is kind of like a nice way of saying a list of styles. And if you go through it, it's basically set up by letter, so it's categorized by letter. And here you go. You can go through it and look at all the different styles. So for the one that I chose, I selected image of a French bulldog, steampunk style, photorealistic, aka looking at the camera. Look how awesome this is. This is an amazing image. I've got a bulldog, and I just absolutely love what it did. And I would have never really thought of this. Steampunk is something I'm familiar with, but hey, maybe there's another style that we'll try. So let's just take a quick look. I'm just going to skim through it quickly here. Let's look at R. What in the heck is, let's see, Ragecore? That's a thing? Okay, Ragecore. It sounds pretty wild. Let's try it. We'll take a look here. You'll see here that it's got all these different groups and different people that use this style. Whatever. Let's go back to Dall-E, and instead of, I'm going to take out steampunk style, and I'm just going to type in Ragecore style. Copy, paste, click, generate. It'll take a few seconds. While we do that, let's just look at some of these people. Death Grips, Juice World, Lil Darky, Lil Uzi Vert. I don't know half of these people, but whatever. It's trap metal, ragecore, whatever. Let's see what it gives us. Let's go back. Presto. Okay, it's not my favorite style, not going to lie, but it's not bad. But this is the list of all the aesthetics and styles. Go through them, see which ones you like, try them out. They've got examples here, Scoutcore. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching.